Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Wow, very good. So now, before we start, let me read first about our learning objectives for today. So we have at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify different types of pictorial aids, such as advanced organizers, title, non-linear illustrations, and text, and of course we have appreciate videos of pictorial aids in enhancing reading comprehension and use pictorial aids to summarize or present information from a text. So now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Alright, so now let's have our first activity. Okay, we have what we call exploring the walls and keywords. Okay, class, can you please read the directions?
In your group, look at the images, charts, or diagrams along with the keywords and discuss possible topics, main ideas, and tips. Be ready to share your ideas with the class and listen as others share theirs. Compare your predictions and answer the following questions.
Okay, can you please read the question?
What do the images or diagrams suggest about the main events or themes of the story? How do keywords help you predict what the story might focus on?
Alright, very good, Justin. Now, I have here a different types of a textual state, and you will receive one by one in a group. Okay, count yourself in one and two. Let's have a two group.
One,
Two, very good. So now, I want you to analyze this images, okay? Discussing with your group, and after let's have a sharing together and compare the predictions based on the questions below. So I want the group one to answer the number two, and I want the group two to answer the number one. Is that clear? Alright, very good. So here we go. Okay, you only have 1 minute to answer it. Buster! Alright, Dan!
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Okay, let's have the group one.
Okay, based on what I see in I think it's based on the ancient Greeks or the Greeks.
Alright, oh, very good. So, can you present? Okay, how about you two?
So, based on this image, I think it's about the story of Medusa, or based on what I see on television, there's no topics Medusa is in this image.
Oh, wow, very good. Interesting production. Alright, so thank you for that class. So now let's go to our next activity. Okay, let's have here what we call configuration clue. So now class, I want you to read the directions.
With your partner, guess the meanings of the words based on their shapes and any hints. Be ready to share your ideas before reading the text.
Alright, very good. So okay, count yourself again. Okay, I want you to look in your mirror. Okay, now. Okay, since we have a series now, let's have an activity number one. Okay. So, what have you observed in this circle? Yes, in the words in here. So, anyone here have a discussion with your partner?
I think it's about story of Medusa.
Sorry. What else? What are the meanings of the circle? What is the circle of what means the shape?
It has different the letters have different shapes.
Alright. Good job for your observation. That's a good one. Okay, how about you? Okay, for you. Okay. What have you observed electronically instead of the birds, the people? What have you observed about this?
It has this shape map. I think it represents Perseus as it often associated with the strength and the journey.
Okay, so the shape is represented as planet journey. Okay, thank you for your sharing. So, I guess it will be for today's class and see you next time.
Okay, class, for our next activity, understand each text. Okay, since after 2 minutes, let's have a very exciting activity, which is interactive. Okay, done, class. Okay, now I want you to make a character map, and this is the description. Create a character map that outlines the main characters as you read. Okay. Okay, since you are done, let's proceed to other activity, which is define and share. Now, since you already read the text that I've given to you, now I want you to choose your partner, and at this moment, I want you to share your partner regarding or looking the specific information in the Gorgon's head, as what I said, using the text that I present to you. We were done. Okay, that's our activity.
Okay, so our next activity is graphic organizer creation. So I want you to summarize the main events of the story, including the character, the setting, the problem, and the solution. So I encourage each of you to be creative and create your own timeline. You can create your own design, if it is a cloud or a timeline. Okay, very good. So our next activity is story timeline break. So in this activity, since a lot of you is absent today, I will give you this piece of paper, and this pieces of paper contain sentences with the main events of the story that had been read earlier. So in this sentences, this is from those sentences, and I want you to arrange it in order correctly. So okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Daga, please read your answer.
Alright, so we have here, the first sentence we have, Danny was locked up inside a house, and also we have those entered the underground chamber, and of course we also have he appeared in front of Danny, and last but not least we have Danny has given birth to person.
Okay, very good, Miss Daga. Now you have arranged the events of the story very well. Now, Miss Rufa, please read your answer.
I think the first one is with one stream of Perseus' word, Medusa was beheaded. Then Perseus headed to the island of the Gorgons, and then the mission was to kill Medusa, one of the 3 Gorgons also. So Perseus went to the great woman and her to see the Perseus.
Okay, are you sure, Miss Rufa, that is in correct order?
I think,
Yes. Please sit down, Miss Rufa. So the correct order of this event is that first, the mission was to kill Medusa, and the next one is Hermes gave Perseus a sword, and the next one is Perseus went to the Grey Woman, and after that, Perseus had to the island of Gorgons, and the last one is with one ship of Perseus' sword, Medusa was beheaded. So now I want to ask you a question: why is it important to remember the correct events of the story? Okay, Ms. Rufa?
I think we should remember the correct segments of the story. For us, the story won't be misunderstood.
Okay, very good.